This is an example of an existing overlay on a bathroom floor that had tile on it before, and now we've decided to go back over it again. So we're going to clean it up really good, and then we're going to go over it with some more overlay resurfacing concrete product multiple times. One is a filler, one is another more fine filler, and then the other one is a slick finish to get the representation of a legitimate acid stain. And so we do it super refined and try to get a little design and texture in it, and we get some assistance from the kids to make it look awesome. So this is how you do it. Pump sprayers to apply it. In this case there's two colors, walnut and ebony, that we're using to try to create just an awesome acid stain multicolored application here. It's going to turn out pretty cool. You have to like the colors that are dark, but after you see how this is applied, you will see just how amazingly crazy these things flow together when they are layered one over another, as you can see in this example. Look at that. Is that crazy or what? Then we seal it. You can put as many coats of a sealer on that you want. This is a urethane product with a high sheen, and this is what it looks like when it is completed. Is that pretty cool or what? I think so.